Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the second day of our festival, October Alapane, Season 3. We are giving away the Maham Nataka Nakshatra Awards to two very promising youngsters. This festival, Maham Parampara, is all about lineage, passing on the tradition, which is what we are trying to do here. So it is indeed a blessing and an honor that we have somebody doing it for over 50 years now. A hearty, warm welcome to Sri Katadi Ramamurthy. Thank you so much for being here. She's a picture of grace, poise, elegance, and style. And I look up to her as a dancer, a terrific guru, a terrific wife, and an amazing host. Meenakshi Chittaranjan, we welcome you this evening. For the first time this year, we are very happy and blessed that the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan has associated with a small team, a fledgling team like Maham Parampara, and the person who's been solely responsible for this endeavor and this collaboration, the director of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Sri Ramaswamy sir, welcome you this evening. On behalf of Maham, I request Srimati Sudha Mahendra to honor our three chief guests today. And on this juncture, I would like to place on record my sincere thanks to Sri Chandra Mohan for recommending these two wonderful names for us for the Nataka Nakshatra Award. Thank you so much, sir. Let me start with Miss B. Purvaja. Miss B. Purvaja is a BCom and an ICWA graduate. She is a stage artist. She has acted in Gurukulam, the Original Boys Company, as a child artist. In several dramas written and directed by her father, Sri Madhava Bhuvaragamurthy, again an iconic name in the field of theatre. In the year 1999, she started and she also acted in several other plays. She got her Best Child Artist Award in the Karthik Fine Arts Kodai Nadaka Vizha and of course the Mylapore Academy. And she's been continuing to be performing. In 2014, after getting the Best Child Artist Award, she got the Best Actress Award at the same Karthik Fine Arts Kodai Nadaka Vizha, and she's also acted in a telefilm. It's indeed interesting and wonderful that she is the daughter of a doyen in the field of theatre, who has been in the field of theatre probably from the time he was a small boy. So we're very pleased and honored. Purvaja, please do come onto the stage to receive the Maham Nataka Nakshatra Award. I request Sri Ramamurthy sir and Meenakshi to jointly give her this award. Again, a third generation in the field of Tamil theatre, the grandson of Sri Kuthabiran sir. A brief introduction about Vignesh Ratnam. He's born into an arts family and no doubt his passion towards drama increases day by day. This happens to people like us because it's all we keep seeing all our lives. So this bug bites us and that's it. And Vignesh is also a victim of that bug. He made his grandfather proud by acting along with him in the lead role in the play Unnal Mudiyum Tata. Thereby, 3 generations of artists performed live stage shows, which were wonderful days for his family. I think it's wonderful to see 3 generations of artists on the same stage. I don't think it happens very often. So I think give that family a very big round of applause for that. His recent performance in the super hit play Soppana Kurandai brought him the Best Actor award from the Karthik Fine Arts Kodai Nadaka Vizha competition. This play also went to win the Best Play award. He has a great ambition of becoming a good director and wants to do more short films. And something else that we both share in common, I think all of us share in common, is that he's a die-hard fan of superstar Rajinikanth. You see, that's the reaction that happens always. And Vignesh is on the right path because he is working towards developing their theatre group, producing and directing and performing in new plays, which is why I can happily say, as long as such people are there, there is no end to Tamil theatre. There is a great and glorious future for Tamil theatre. Vignesh, we request you to come on stage to receive the Maham Nataka Nakshatra Award. It's truly an honor and privilege for Maham to be giving you this award today. I request Katadi sir and Meenakshi ma'am to do the honors. I now request Sri Ramasamy of Bhavan to say a few words.
It was extremely nice to have Madhu to come and ask us to associate. That's what I would say. We are happy to associate, Bhavan is happy to associate with the Maham, which is conducting this Parambara series. Today, who has received this award, they have been blessed by our chairman, Sri Sabaratnam, through Karthik Fine Arts. Thank you.
That the only thing that soothes one's mind, heart and soul is our wonderful art and culture. So once again, I think it's a tremendous job that Madhu is doing. I wish her all success in continuing this endeavor of hers. All the best, Madhu.
எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். மதுவந்தி இங்கிலீஷில் பேசினேன், ராமசாமி இங்கிலீஷில் பேசினேன், மிஸ்ஸஸ் மீனாட்சி அவர்களும் இங்கிலீஷில் பேசினாங்க. நானும் இங்கிலீஷில் பேசணும்னு தான் நினச்சேன். ஆனால் நான் பேசினா உங்களுக்கு புரியுமா புரியாதாங்கிறத விட நான் பேசினா எனக்கே புரியுமாங்கிற சந்தேகம் இருந்தது. இவங்கெல்லாம் கலை உலகத்தில் பாரம்பரியத்தை காப்பாற்றுறதுக்குன்னு இருக்காங்கன்னா இது ஒரு உண்மையான என்னுடைய மனப்பூர்வமான வாழ்த்துக்களை இவர்களுக்கு தெரிவித்து உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் நன்றி கூறி விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Vanessa